For the vaccine for H5N1 and H7N9, for the H5N1, in fact, it has gone through the phase 3 trial, and there's an effective vaccine to protect human. For the H7N9, I think there's also a phase 2 trial ongoing, or I think one of them has already completed and reported, and is reported to be very effective. We believe also that there is a H7N9 vaccine should be available very soon for poultry, and that will perhaps, hopefully, be able to reduce the number of cases by vaccinating the poultry.